June 2023, the Stanley Center for Peace and Security opened its new headquarters in Muscatine, Iowa. The project is tracking to achieve full living building certification, making it one of 36 buildings and only the second adaptive reuse project in the world to achieve this title. In this video, we will be discussing the first of 7 categories that act as a framework for the Living Building Challenge, the Place Petal. Hi, I'm Sally Obernolte, a principal at Newman Munson Architects. Our team at Newman Munson just completed construction on the Stanley Center for Peace and Security. This project participated in the Living Building Challenge, or LBC, which is the most rigorous and holistic sustainable building certification system and consists of 7 categories known as petals. In this video, we are going to dive into the Place Petal. The International Living Future Institute, or ILFI, which oversees the LBC, says the Place Petal aims to shift how we view and interact with nature. It guides where to build, how to restore sites after development, and encourages pedestrian-friendly communities backed by local agriculture. Essentially, it offers a blueprint for curbing urban sprawl and conserving resources in urban areas. Project teams must grasp their site's history, ecology, and community dynamics. Each petal in the LBC framework has distinct imperatives, and the Place Petal includes 4: ecology of place, urban agriculture, habitat exchange, and human-scaled living. Now let's break down what each of those imperatives mean. The ecology of place imperative pushes for the ecological renewal of building sites. Project teams must steer clear of floodplains, green fields, farmland, and wildlife habitats when choosing sites, and focus on reviving natural flora and fauna. The Stanley Center opted for an existing downtown site, which was the former public library in Muscatine. The landscaping, crafted by Environmental Consulting Technologies, features a blend of vegetation native to Muscatine County. The urban agriculture imperative pushes projects to allocate space on the building site for food production, boosting access to locally grown fresh produce. At the Stanley Center, 5% of the site is set aside for urban agriculture. They transformed part of the original building into a courtyard. This outdoor space, along with all-season indoor plant walls, grow herbs, carrots, sweet potatoes, and alliums, specifically catering to the needs of the Muscatine Center for Social Action, the neighboring food bank. The habitat exchange imperative aims to safeguard land for other species amid increasing human land use. Projects must allocate land equal to their project area through an improved land trust organization. Presently, the Stanley Center partners with the Burr Oak Land Trust, a nonprofit dedicated to preserving Iowa's wetlands, prairies, and woodlands. Alternatively, projects can contribute to the ILFI's Land Trust program, which acquires properties worldwide. Human-scaled living is the Place Petal's last push. It aims to foster walkable, pedestrian-friendly communities to cut down on fossil fuel usage. The Stanley Center chose not to provide surface parking for fossil fuel vehicles. Instead, it promotes alternative transportation with weather-protected bike racks, storage lockers, and showers on site. They've also initiated a carpooling program to slash carbon emissions. Moreover, the building enriches the streetscape with trees, native plants, and retaining walls for relaxation. A solar array above the adjacent alley offers shade and shelter for MCSA's visitors. The Living Building Challenge provides a rigorous, verifiable framework for sustainable design and construction, and the outcomes are truly regenerative and resilient. Its Place Petal protects natural resources, reduces urban sprawl, and promotes alternative forms of transportation. Learn how the Stanley Center collects and reuses rainwater by clicking the link below to read about the water petal.